Hello everyone, I greet you all from all over the world. So, what's the news about the PiNetwork project? Make sure you have clicked the button and subscribe to Pi News World. And also, don't forget to click like, comment and share. Come in the comment and write PiNetwork to the moon. Time is the most valuable asset we possess. Once lost, it can never be regained. Yet, in today's fast-paced world, many fail to recognize its true worth. Patience has become a rare virtue, with people seeking instant results and quick rewards. However, for those who understand the power of perseverance, time is an investment that yields immense returns. PiNetwork was founded on three fundamental principles: time, patience, and dedication. From the beginning, true pioneers have grasped this concept, consistently mining every day and believing in the broader vision. While skeptics questioned its legitimacy and progress, pioneers remained steadfast, quietly building an ecosystem that is now on the brink of a historic transformation. The upcoming launch of the open Mainnet is not just another milestone. It represents a defining moment in the evolution of PiNetwork. This transition marks the culmination of years of development, testing, and community-driven efforts. Those who have remained patient and committed will soon witness the realization of what they have always believed in. For skeptics, open Mainnet will serve as undeniable proof that PiNetwork is more than just another cryptocurrency. It's a global movement that seeks to redefine how digital assets and decentralized finance operate. With millions of users worldwide, PiNetwork has already demonstrated that financial inclusion and accessibility are possible beyond traditional banking systems. As Pi enters this new phase, its growing ecosystem of applications, businesses, and marketplaces will validate its long-term potential. The doubters who once dismissed Pi as mere speculation will inevitably take notice, and for those who never wavered, their patience will finally be rewarded. PiNetwork, a movement beyond cryptocurrency. Unlike many blockchain projects focused solely on speculation and profit, PiNetwork has always prioritized community empowerment and real-world utility. This is not just another digital asset. It is a technological revolution driven by millions of individuals working together toward a common goal. The Pi ecosystem is expanding rapidly, with developers creating applications that will allow seamless transactions, decentralized services, and a self-sustaining economic model. The introduction of Pi-based commerce and services is set to reshape industries, proving that blockchain technology can be integrated into everyday life without the complexity and exclusivity that have hindered mass adoption in the past. With its energy-efficient mining model and strong community governance, PiNetwork stands out as one of the most inclusive and accessible blockchain projects to date. It has provided an opportunity for people across the world, including those with limited access to traditional financial systems, to participate in the future of decentralized finance. Stay focused. The best is yet to come. As PiNetwork moves toward open Mainnet, pioneers must remain focused on the bigger picture. While external noise and skepticism may persist, the foundation of Pi remains unshaken. The success of any revolutionary technology is often met with doubt, but history has shown that persistence leads to breakthroughs. Patience will be rewarded. The pioneers who have stayed the course will become part of a historic transformation in the blockchain space. The world is watching. The countdown to open Mainnet has begun. Stay committed, keep pushing forward, and prepare for what's next, because the future of PiNetwork is just getting started. PiNetwork is a unique cryptocurrency project that seeks to make decentralized finance, or DeFi, more accessible and user-friendly by allowing people to mine Pi coins using their mobile devices without excessive energy consumption. The value of time in PiNetwork is quite significant. Unlike Bitcoin and other proof-of-work cryptocurrencies, PiNetwork enables users to mine tokens with minimal time investment by simply tapping a button daily. Users who join early and consistently engage with the network accumulate more Pi over time, making time a crucial factor in potential rewards. The time users spend mining and inviting others contributes to the network's expansion, potentially increasing the coin's value in the future. PiNetwork is inclusive and accessible. By allowing mobile mining without expensive hardware, PiNetwork democratizes cryptocurrency access, fostering global financial inclusion. The Pi ecosystem is expected to support decentralized applications and smart contracts similar to Ethereum, which could drive new financial services. Once Pi transitions to full decentralization on its mainnet, users will be able to conduct fast and fee-efficient transactions without intermediaries. The growing Pi community is developing a marketplace where users can trade goods and services using Pi, further driving adoption and utility. There are challenges and uncertainties ahead. PiNetwork is currently in its enclosed mainnet phase, and widespread adoption depends on when and how the open mainnet launch occurs. As with any cryptocurrency, government regulations could impact Pi's future adoption and value. The success of PiNetwork in decentralized finance will depend on its ability to build a robust ecosystem where users can meaningfully spend and exchange Pi. PiNetwork presents an innovative approach to decentralized finance by emphasizing accessibility and long-term participation. If the project successfully launches its open mainnet and develops a thriving ecosystem, it could become a key player in the DeFi space. However, as with any cryptocurrency, potential users should stay informed and approach it with a balanced perspective. Don't forget to click subscribe, like, and share.